Welcome to a new episode of An Ordinary Review with PJ. Have you ever wondered how do the rich and famous people hide their wealth far away from the tax authorities in safe tax havens? Where are these safe tax havens? What is their modus operandi? How do they manage to stash away all this ill-gotten wealth into something called offshore accounts, which are managed by something called shell companies? What is an offshore account? And who are these shell companies? Who helps the rich and the famous people in setting up these accounts and managing the shell companies? Well, if you want to know, I have a movie that I would recommend that you should watch. The movie I'm talking about is called The Laundromat. It's available on Netflix. The movie stars Meryl Streep, Gary Oldman and Antonio Banderas. It is directed by Steven Soderbergh. The director is famous for his Ocean series of movies, which all of us have immensely loved over the years. So the movie is actually based on a Panama paper leak incident that happened in 2016. And many of us would remember that incident. That incident was a big scale expose which exposed millions of documents tying politicians, bureaucrats and the rich and famous celebrities to hundreds of offshore accounts which they were using to stash away their wealth. The incident led to a huge furore across the world. Many politicians had to resign from their posts. The celebrities went undercover, trying to hide away from media and the authorities, and the bureaucrats lost their jobs. So this movie actually takes actual incident of those paper leaks and weaves a story around it, trying to explain how this legal firm was set up. This legal firm is called Mossack Fonseca, and Gary Oldman and Antonio Banderas are acting as these two lawyers, Mossack and Fonseca, who have set up this firm. And it then shows how they actually use this firm to open offshore accounts for rich people and how they actually rotate the money, swindle the money such that the authorities are not able to trace it. It is done in a very nice, light, humorous way. Both Gary Oldman and Antonio Banderas actually act as the narrators in the movie. They narrate the entire process by which this modus operandi works. And they bring in a lot of humor as they explain how ordinary people like you and me, like Meryl Streep, who's an ordinary woman in this movie, get cheated through these firms who take away all this money and manage it for the rich and the famous. Meryl Streep acts as an ordinary woman, as I said. She actually is befallen on a tragedy. She had gone to celebrate her 40th anniversary, but unfortunately a boating incident happens. Her husband dies, and now she is asking for compensation from the boating company because of the tragedy that led to her husband's death. And the boating company has reached out to their insurance company to get the money so that they can actually compensate these families. But to their shock, they realized that the insurance that they had taken was a fraud. There is no such insurance company that exists. It's a shell company, and the money that they had paid has already been swindled off into other offshore accounts, and they have no idea where the money is, and they never get the compensation. In turn, obviously, the families also do not get any compensation. So Meryl Streep takes it upon herself to understand and expose this entire offshore company, shell company nexus that this legal entity runs in managing the ill-gotten wealth. So the movie has a nice humorous touch to it. On one side there is Meryl Streep story that runs around and interweaves with the narration that both Gary Oldman and Antonio Banderas do in explaining how the firm actually manages the wealth. It has the Steven Soderbergh touch, who makes movies with an intriguing plot, with a nice sense of humor to go with the plot. The same style and treatment is visible in this movie. And in many scenes, the acting actually feels very up close and personal. So when you see the scenes playing in front of you, you feel as if you're watching them live in an auditorium as a play instead of seeing them on a screen. So very nicely done. I would highly recommend to watch this movie. It will give you a good understanding in a nice, simple, funny way of how this entire safe tax haven and the operations around it to manage the ill-gotten wealth of the rich and famous works. and how ordinary taxpayers like you and me have no idea why the governments are always poor and why they do not and they are not able to extract tax from the rich and the famous who hide away this wealth far away from their eyes, and they're not able to catch them. This movie is available on Netflix. It's called The Laundromat. Happy watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for seeing my reviews. I look forward to bringing more reviews to you, more recommendations that I feel you would enjoy as much as I am doing while watching them and reviewing it for you. Thanks once again for subscribing to my channel. Happy watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.